Hello everyone, it's Dawn and welcome back to my channel. Well, we're going to plough on with our Nestie Numbers series, and today we're going to be making the number 4. And just to let you know, in case I forget to do it at the end, after this one, from tomorrow, what I'm going to do to speed the series up a little bit more, I'm going to be making 2 numbers on in the same video. Not today. Today we'll just make the number 4. But from tomorrow we'll be doing 5 and 6 together, then 7 and 8 the following day, and 9 and 0 the following day after that, just to make it go a little bit quicker, because especially some of the later numbers are very, very easy and don't really need a video on their own. So we'll do this one on its own because that's the way I've prepared it. So as I say, we're going to make a number 4, and all you will need are 2 rectangular nesting dies for this. You will need a 4x3 and a 2.5 by 1 3/4. And what you need to do to begin with, you need to put the smaller one inside the larger one and cut it out like that so that it makes a frame. Now obviously we're not going to leave it as a frame, but that's what we're going to do to begin with. And then from the bit that falls out, which in this case is that one, cut off a little strip that measures 1/2 by 2 inches or 2 by 1/2 inches. And I will put all of these measurements, not that there are many, but I will put them in the description box below, so don't worry about it. So this time I've got to get it right. I know in the past I think it was the number 2, I inadvertently started to put the wrong way, but I haven't cut a spare one, so if I get this wrong, it's ruined. It wouldn't matter if the card was the same on both sides, but with this one isn't. So what we need to do is, first of all, we need to make sure we know our left from our right. It always helps. So on the left hand side at the top, we are going to cut up, oops, difficult to get on and stay in shot. Yeah, I was going to try, actually I'm going to turn it round, so turn it upside down so it'll be on the bottom right when it's upside down. And you're going to cut that bit, and you're going to cut it that way. And then turn it round, and on the opposite diagonal corner, you're going to cut it that way. Keep that bit to one side, you won't need it. But then you've got a piece that looks a little bit like the letter L. And if you were going to make a letter L, incidentally, that's how you do it. But we're not making a letter L today. So what we need to do then is find our adhesive. There it is. I'm going to carry on using my red runner tape just to make it go a bit quicker and a bit smoother and less messy, because I'm a terrible messy crafter when it comes to glue, and I really need to get another backing paper because this one's full of sticky tape. And I'm going to put mine not right to the bottom because we need to put the other bit on. So cut that down, or stick that down like that. Then take your 2 by 1/2 inch strip. Again, pop some adhesive on the back and turn it round. Make sure you've got it so that it's even. Stick it down, and hey presto, you've got a number 4. Now, wasn't that easy? So the others, apart from the number 5, well, even that's not difficult, but it's made sort of in a similar way, and you'll find out what I mean by that tomorrow. So from tomorrow, we will be making 2 numbers together. So that one was over in under 4 minutes, so that wasn't too bad, was it? So there is our number 4. And as I say, from tomorrow, we'll be making 2 numbers in the same video, just because it doesn't really require 1 per video. So that's what we'll do tomorrow. But for today, we have our number 4, a nice, quick and easy one for you. And so I hope you enjoy that, and enjoy the rest of the day, whatever you're doing. And I'll see you tomorrow with numbers 5 and 6. And until then, take care everybody, have fun, and as always, happy crafting. Bye bye for now.